This is my trade recap for March 24th, 2010. I had 4 winning trades and 4 losers. My winners outperformed my losers, so I still made out with a profit today. So I want to go over a few of my winning plays and one of my losers. First one is MPG, Maguire Properties. I found this stock from, or was alerted on investorslive.com chat room, and it actually was alerted for a green to red crossing. And let's look in here real quick. If you look at the 1 minute, it opened up the slight down, and then it was just up from there. Went through the 5-day average, the 10, the 20, came through this the 60. Very bullish signs, walking up the Bollinger Band here, between the Bollinger Band and the 5-day average. And so I decided to jump in. Let's see, yesterday's high was 375, so saw those bullish signs and hoping for that 375 break. I got in at 9:36, 9:37 Eastern time. Got in at 367. Sold a little bit as it in this area. Didn't play it the rest of the day. So that was just some quick profit right there. The next chart I want to go over is MBI. Let's cut out this 72.80 high. I had alert on thinkorswim for a 575 break on this. 575 for a reason. Alright, if we look at the 5 minute, you see yesterday it traded right here in between that 555-ish, 575 level. The day before, the high was around 575. Day before, 575 was support. So 575 break was a great trade. So I bought some at 575 at, let's see, 949, 649. Around here, got that alert, bought right away. Since I had looked at it the night before, I knew if 575 hit, I wanted to go long, so there was no thinking there. I sold some in this area. Got a little impatient. Then later, when it crossed 6 at around 720 here, I went long again because now there was support at $6, so I got in at 602. Not a lot of risk. If it went below 6, I would have sold and cut my losses. So I rode that up to around here. We look at the whole day. You can see could have held this thing and made a lot more, but you know, I'll take what I can get. Next one was also a thinkorswim alert for me. See, I still have one on here for a short, but PMI the alert was at 380 right here. So it came through 380, right around 640, jumped in right away. I had got filled at 382. It got up to 4, so I took some off in case it didn't break 4, and it did. So I added to my position actually around here, and rode this one pretty good. Zoom out. Yeah, I sold some at 462 actually. 462 was at 1205, 905 right here, so I was pretty much right on the money there for the high. Alright, the last one I want to go over is RDN. I mean, look at this thing, it was up $2.50. So the question is, how the heck did I lose money on this? So it started off, well, I had an alert on this $12 break. You just look at yesterday's chart. $12 is obviously a key support level and resistance. So comes through 12. I go long at 635. Made it to about 1250 range. Took some off, or took all of it off. You know, little did I know. Later in the day, I see it's at 14, and I go long there, and when it doesn't hold 14, so I cut my losses. Then around 11:13, so 8:13 around here, I went short because the market was kind of tanking. Made a few bucks off that. Okay, then I kept thinking it would break 14 and I'd make some serious coin, but I missed the $14 break. So at just before 9, I missed this move, and I chased it and bought at 14.16, thinking it would break the new high, which it did. Got up to 14.24. Didn't sell all of it though, so you know, I thought there was now some 14.10 support, so I bought some more there, averaging down. Then it goes down to 14. I buy some more there, thinking that support won't crack, and of course it did, and I sold down here and lost a good chunk there. Turned a plus $90 trade into minus 150 or something. So the lesson to be learned here is don't average down. I mean, obviously it works sometimes. I haven't figured it out yet because for the most part I've been burned by averaging down, so definitely going to steer clear of that for a little while. Alright, so that's the recap from March 24th, 2010.